It's Friday, May 1st. In the headlines, Member of Parliament Dr. Angela Brown-Burke admits misconduct in Parliament but defends National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority Bill transparency concerns. And the company's Office of Jamaica to launch mobile app to improve business services. In business news, Mayberry Investments expands a bond offer to investors. Regionally, Gaston Brown wins a landslide victory as ABLP secures 15 seats in snap election. And in sports, Shanoya Douglas set for 100 meters and 200 meters double at Puma East Coast Showcase. This is the weekend news on PBC Jamaica. I'm Simone Absalom Gale. For the full newscast, head over to our YouTube and Facebook pages.